Aram Green, you're a big fan of the software space. What's attractive about it?
The software companies are very attractive because they're providing very efficiently deployed software into large enterprises that allow their businesses to run more efficiently. They have very high margins. They're usually run by the entrepreneurial founder. They generate lots of cash, and they can make tuck-in acquisitions which only accelerate their product development.
And to drill down a bit, you're a real big fan of information security stocks. Tell me why and then which ones.
Sure. There's been a major underspend by enterprises and government agencies to protect our information, customer information, government information. That's really critical to how we run our economy. As you know, I mean, everything's connected to the grid now.
And a whole lot of hackers out there.
Absolutely. So the LinkedIn hack recently, credit card data being stolen, it's imperative that we protect our information from a national security perspective as well as identity management. So I think that there's going to be a major investment spend that will continue in this space, and there's a number of companies that will benefit from that.
Like which ones?
So some of the companies that we own that we're very attracted to are companies like Sourcefire, Fortinet, and Imperva. They all do slightly different things. Sourcefire is a technology company that provides intrusion protection security, so really protecting against intruders from getting into your network. Imperva protects the applications that sit in the network, and Fortinet is more for small or medium enterprises, also really to protect their network, to prevent spam. They do a lot of functionality that sits sort of at the edge of an enterprise network.
Yes, we must fight spam. Got to fight the spam.
Absolutely.
All right, what other sectors do you like?
So we like a number of companies that are providing critical tools and solutions to companies that they really can't live without. So there's a number of companies in the industrial space and the healthcare space that provide those type of solutions.
Like what?
So an example there is a company, FEI. They make electron microscopes. They can be pretty expensive, a couple $1 million a pop. They really allow businesses to run their production more rapidly and advance their technologies. So they provide solutions to the semiconductor space, to the energy space, and to healthcare and sciences to develop new drugs.
And is there any sector or stocks that you're avoiding right now that you may think are overvalued?
Not so much from a valuation perspective. We had a little correction here, so we're actually seeing more things that look attractive to us than expensive. One area that we're generally unattracted to is sort of these binary outcome biotech stocks, where it's just very difficult to analyze if a compound in the early stages of development will ever make it to become a drug, and how expensive it will be to get to that level.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to